Hello! Welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is a class reminder clip for the intermediate at the Kenn Centre on the 1st of November. We did a core intermediate move, which was the first move Seducer, and then we did an octopus hip bumps, half pretzel, and a slide break walk around mangle. If you need teaching information for any of those moves, links to the clips for those in the description below, and this clip will show you how everything went together. It looked like this. Starting with that first move Seducer, we went 7 and 8. Back, in, twist, prepare, down, look, up, twist, twist, turn, face. Then we went 2 hands for the octopus, we went fellas in front, and then we did some hip bumps. Bump 1, and bump 2, and bump 3. Back to the octopus, ladies through, guys through, ladies through, half pretzel, take it away, offer again, over the guy, over the lady, 2 hands for the slide break, over, we had a little walk around, and then from here we went over the lady and went down, down, up, up for the mangle, prep, and turn, face, return, and back. And that was that. Hope you enjoy it, hope you find it useful. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell if you're finding what we're doing is useful to you. Music recommendation on the end is something nice to practice to, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft.
I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.